Let's make Gyeran Bap. This savory Korean egg rice is a delicious and comforting 10-minute dish. All you need is 5 ingredients. It's the perfect cheap option for a hot meal that requires minimal effort. First, we will fry a few eggs. I prefer runny yolks, but cook these to your preference. I recommend using high-quality eggs. The richer yolks will yield the best flavor. Next, we'll prepare the rice. Freshly made, short-grain rice is best, or you can warm up leftover rice. Top the bowl of rice with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Then lay the fried eggs on top. Next, drizzle on 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Garnish with toasted sesame seeds and sliced green onions. Now for the best part, breaking the egg yolks. Finally, mix the eggs and rice until fully combined. Enjoy this egg rice with a side of kimchi and seaweed snacks. This dish is so simple and easy, but the rich savory flavor will have you addicted. Now you can enjoy this dish anytime you need a quick and easy meal. Like and subscribe for more easy recipes.